Hey guys, this is Karthikeya. I'm done with my third static website. In this, I divided my website into two parts. One is the top section and the other one is the bottom section. In the top section, I'm having a background image, a heading for that background image, and also a para for that background image. Coming to the bottom section, I'm having the background color as light blue and I'm having four cards attached to that light blue color background. In each card, I'm having the image, a card heading, and also card description. Bottom to these four cards, I am having a button also. Coming to the code I have written to get this output like this, I choose the selector named as top section background container and I have written the rule set like this. Then I got an output with a background image of this bank. Next I have to get the heading. So I choose the selector named as top section heading and I written the rule set like this. Top section heading rule set I have written like this. I got an output with a background image and a heading over that. Next, I have to get the para. So I choose the selector named as para, and for this and for this I have not done any styling. That is why I gave only the rule set with a padding property, and its value is 7 pixel, and the value for it is 7 pixel. And I got an output with a background image, a heading, and a para for that background image. Next, the top section is completed, and now I have to design for the bottom section. That is why I choose a selector named as bottom section background container and wrote the rule set like this with a background color and viewport height of that background color. I got an output with a background color of light blue in color with 100% viewport height like this. Next I have to design a card. That is why I gave the selector named as card and I gave its rule set like this. I got an output with a light blue color background and a card over that. Next, I have to get an image in that card. That is why I choose the HTML element image with a source attribute and gave the link of the image of that card. And also for that image I have given some rule set like with a selector named card image. And this is the rule set I have written for the card image. And I got an output with a background image of blue color, a card over it, and an image in that card. Next, I have to get the heading as car now. That is why I choose the selector named as card heading and return the rule set like this. I got an output with a card and image in it and a heading below that image. Next, I have to get the card description. Card description funds 95% I will have to get. So I choose the content. I choose this selector named as card description and return the rule set like this. With a font size and padding, I have written the rule set. And then I got an output with a light blue color background color, a card over it in orange color, an image to it, and bottom to that image I had an heading, and then I got the card description for that card also. In the same way, I have written for this house loan, business loan, and farming loan as well. This is the code I have written for that also. The same code I have written for all this, for all the other three cards also. And at the bottom for this button, I choose the bootstrap element called as a button primary because I want the button to be in blue color. That is why I choose that, and I want this button to come into the center. That is why I choose this. That is why I choose the div container with a selector named button. And in this rule set for this button, I written as text align to come towards the center so that I'll get the button towards the center. And this is the thing I forgot to show you. Yeah, these are the bootstrap elements I used to get these cards in this particular row. These both cards in this particular row And next, this to come these both cards in this particular row. And if we run that code, I got the output like this. And this is my third static website I have designed after joining into CCPP 4.0 program and posting this video. Thank you for watching.